Meet Sarah. She studied harder than anyone in her class, day and night, day and night. Sleep, a luxury she couldn't afford. Then the result came, and her heart sank. All those sleepless nights, all that effort for this? So, why? Why does someone work twice as hard and still score half as much? Here's the truth nobody tells you. It was never about the hard work. The problem was the strategy. And the fix? It's simpler than you can think. Just start studying smartly using AI. The key is to work smart way, not the hard way. So in this video, I'll basically go ahead and show you guys how you could study smartly using AI and get an A in any course. So this is going to be a part 3 of this video. If you want to check out the other parts, the link to those is in the description below. Alright, so let's get started with this video. This is where we left off in the last video, where we were generating some similar final exams. So these were the high priority topics that it gave me, right? So let's continue from this video now. So if you guys haven't checked this video out, the link to this video will basically be in the I button, so make sure to click that out to check this video. Alright, so now we're in Claude Code and we basically have to copy all these topics that it has given us. Okay, these are basically the high priority topics. And why is it high priority topics? Because you have extracted these from an actual final exam, so that means 80% of the exam is going to be tested on all these material, and this is basically how you study. You need to break down for every course that you study, you need to break down 80% and 20% of the material, and this is basically the 80% of the topics that you're going to be tested on. If for example you're spending hours studying 20% of the material that is going to be on the exam, you just end up getting a low grade. Okay, so instead what you have to do is, now but once you know these topics that 80% of the exam is going to cover, you have to make sure to master all these topics. Okay, so you have to go ahead and copy these, and let's go ahead to Gemini. Alright, so once you're in Gemini, you basically have to give all the topics that you have just copied from here. And one more thing that you have to do is you have to attach your course outline. Okay, and then you have to basically give this prompt. I have attached the course outline and the exam topics. Okay, create a Q&A study guide based on those topics and do not include anything outside what was covered in class. And this is why we have to attach the course outline to tell it that the topics that we have not covered, so it doesn't give us something that you guys are not even familiar with. Okay, so now organize it by topics, and for each question include the answer and a short explanation. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run this. Alright, so this is what it has given us, and you guys see it has basically given you the question and the answer itself, and this is really nice, right? You see, like, topic by topic, and this is literally how the exam tested you. It's gonna ask you for a question and you have to basically answer it just like that. And there's also explanation in simple words, so if you don't understand, you can basically go over this and try to solve it by yourself, and then check for your answer and look if it's correct or not. So this is basically it, and it's really nice, right? So now once you have done all these steps, okay, so now lastly what you have to do is, like, because you're practicing a lot, right, and we tend to forget information, right, because that's how our memories are if we don't not revise it. So how do we basically revise? So now let's move on to ChatGPT for that. Alright, so now once you are in ChatGPT, you basically have to do pretty much the same thing. Copy everything that you have, all the topics that you have, attach the course outline, and this time what you're gonna do is, like, write this prompt. I'm gonna be tested on this topic for my OS exam, and give me a full detailed summary for each topic. Okay, so you basically want a summary for all the topics so you can revise. Okay, and do not include anything that is not taught in class, and that's why we have provided the course outline. So now let's see what it gives us. Alright, so after a while it has given me this summary, and it is really good. You see, it has included basically everything, and it has also included some exam traps and everything, but like every time you have to open this ChatGPT and go over it. Okay, so that takes a lot of time. So what I'm gonna basically ask it to, so like it has given me so much, right? So what I ended up doing, I basically asked it to generate me a PDF to include all of this. Okay, so then it has generated me this PDF over here. You can go ahead and click this download button over here, and it's gonna go ahead and open this PDF. So this is the PDF that it has generated. You see, it's really useful over here. So what you basically have to do, that you now have an exam revision summary for like because you have practice for everything now, you just have to go over this every night before you sleep. So this is basically what you do, like just read over it, you do not forget all this information. Okay, so that's pretty much what you have to do, and no one can stop you from getting an A in any course like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching, and bye.